Hello and welcome to COM 712, Quantitative Analysis and Communication. It's Dr. Spates here giving you your weekly checklist. For week 10, there are just a few things that I have for you, and I have a couple reminders as well. I want us to start out the course this week looking at Chapter 17 and Chapter 6 in the Cronk book. Chapter 17 in Wrench and Chapter 6 in the Cronk book. Those will be focusing and helping you prepare for Independent Samples T-Test, which will be the focus of your SPSS homework number 3. I'm assigning this now. It is due April 2nd. It actually became available on Friday. I gave you a few extra days and opened it early because I know some of you like to work ahead or get a head start on working towards the next assignment. So I am doing that early just to give those of you that want it a head start. I want to remind you of the RStats helpful videos. The RStats department here at Missouri State's campus have developed a series of videos, and these are video-based step-by-step instructions. So similar to the Cronk book, which has screenshots, the RStats videos are helpful for those of you who want to see exactly the step-by-steps on how to run the analysis. Those are designed for these types of courses, and so I posted that. I actually posted it a few weeks back. I know several of you used it, but it is available in course materials on our website. Use those videos as you run the stats, and it will tell you step by step how to do it in SPSS for each of the SPSS homeworks. Also keep in mind that homework number 2 is due this evening by 11:59 p.m. I want to let you know that I will be posting a video showing you how to get the correct answer from the SPSS data set. That will help, that will allow you to run the test properly. I also want to give you a heads up. A few of you asked about this, and I did not state this earlier, but in the Greek data set, you want to run the test using the total categories for each variable. So each variable is listed in its item number, showing the different numbers and things. You don't want to use those columns. Instead, towards the end of the data set, you'll see things like anxiety total, edu satisfaction total, interaction involvement total. You want to use the total names of the variables when you're running the test, and that will help you get the correct answer. I'm going to write that down as a note and post it so that you're reminded to use those when you're running tests. As always, you can ask questions. That's where I get my helpful tips from, is when you ask questions. You never know, someone else in the class may be wondering the same thing. So please continue to ask good questions. I appreciate all of you who have sent emails and have double checked things before submitting as well. I'm doing my best to get back with you as soon as possible, but just know that you're doing a great job. This course and these assignments are supposed to give you a little bit of a challenge, but I don't want you to be frustrated to the point of disappointment. So I'm going to do my part to kind of get you there, but I want you to use those resources. I also want to point you in the direction of the hypothesis videos that I posted towards the beginning of the semester. That gives you, again, a reminder of how to break down a hypothesis and get the independent variable, the dependent variable, and know which one is being used and what kind of tests should be run. There are clues in the hypothesis to give you those answers. So just keep that in mind as well. There are resources to help you while submitting, but my video showing you how to get to the right answer will not be posted until the next day. So homework number 2's video will not be posted until tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. But congratulations to all of you. You continue to persevere and get through it. You're doing a great job. But I want to do my part also to keep the stress down that I know is naturally associated with this course. That's all I have for you at this time. Remember, we can meet as far as your final paper or other questions that you have in person. We can do a Zoom conference where we can do audio only or audio and video, and I'm always available by email. Continue working hard on your final projects. I know some of you have collected data. I know some of you have reached out to Josie to get your survey. So things are moving along. Continue doing great things, and I am enjoying all of the things that I'm seeing with your papers. Keep up with the great work and have a great week 10. Look out for that video tomorrow showing you how to get to the correct answers, and I will see you next week.